and welcome back to our channel, and we are on a new adventure. Guess where are we going? This is the first time we are traveling with a little toddler, and this is Jaden, my dear friends. Jaden is my brother Savio's son, and we had a blast traveling with him because he kept us entertained throughout the journey. So, anyways, we are traveling by train, and this train journey was so scenic. Please do travel by train. One, it is very reasonable. Secondly, very convenient, and you will have a lovely journey looking at the scenic beauty all over from Mumbai till you reach Goa. You will see these beautiful landscapes, farm. Finally, we reached. This is a beautiful pool here at the resort. Good morning, Shania.
Goa! Enjoy Goa!
First day in the morning and everyone's in the pool. This time with us we have my lovely brother Savio, his beautiful wife Lavina, and their adorable son Jaden. These are small villas, okay? This is the villa where we are staying. It's a duplex villa, 3 BHK. After a nice workout in the pool, it's now time for some yummy breakfast. And breakfast here was complimentary. So let's see. Oh, idlis. Sambar. Chutney. Boiled eggs. Bread, butter, jam. And tea, coffee, whatever you want. So we're ready. Come join us for our lovely breakfast here in Goa. Shania, how are you feeling here in Goa?
Very nice and peaceful it is.
So we have had a breakfast and we are off to visit a Goan family here in Goa. So let's learn about the culture of Goa, the lifestyle of Goa, and the simple living here in Goa. So we are taking you away from the hustle and bustle of the Goa city right into the peaceful scenic village here at Aldona. So here we are come at Aldona at the D'Souza family house. So let's see. Come. Here's the beautiful
Welcome!
house.
It's nice to see y'all. Welcome
Thank
to
you.
Goa.
Hello.
Nice to meet y'all.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome.
Hello, hello.
Hi. Welcome to our home, sweet home. Yay.
So, this is Tekla auntie. Tekla D'Souza, Mrs. Tekla D'Souza.
Nice to meet y'all.
And this is Suzanne. This is my lovely sister.
Hello.
And we come to her place. We come to their place. Please come. It's such a beautiful place, auntie.
Yeah, thank you.
when you see videos of Goa, you mostly see the party life, the happening life, drinks, beaches. But we want to show you the real side of Goa, the actual people that live here. And this is their simple living, full of plants, nature, simple houses. And every house will have a beautiful altar just like this, which brings families together to connect with one another and mainly to connect with God. Auntie showed us her collection of earthen pots, pans, and things that she had kept. And here's a big fish tank. We were so amazed to see these fishes. So they have a chicken coop which is really well maintained, and Auntie Tekla looks after them very well.
Here we have two sections, one for the cockerels.
Oh wow.
Take care of your head. Huh? This is where they lay the eggs during the day, and at night when they are in the coop they lay anywhere around. But during the day they come here and they lay. And they sleep on these bamboos.
On it, huh?
Yeah. They sit all of them on it.
The hens, they sit on these planks and they sleep. Wow, no? The eggs. Brown eggs.
Can I want some eggs?
Yeah, local eggs.
Healthy.
I have right now 35 chickens. Out of them there are 2 cockerels here. This is the feeding place where I put for them cooked rice, curry, layer mash, corn grid, and wheat, jowar. I mix all of it and I put in these trays. In these feeders, I put holy wheat because the rice, cooked rice, cannot remain for the next day. These are the drinkers, water drinkers.
So here we make the water hot during the summer, and in fact on this chula the water gets more hot and remains longer heated. So we don't find this in every Goan house.
Mostly.
Yeah, mostly.
Lemon tree.
This
We
is
have
lemon
lemons.
Oh, such big ones.
Yeah.
On lemons.
Well, use this lemon?
Yeah.
Yeah, we use this lemons only. Nice and juicy and sour.
Oh, so use.
Fruits. Yeah, this is the neem plant, which is also a medicinal plant. We can boil these leaves and drink. Then we have the avocado plant. Yeah. This is the avocado plant. These are pineapples. This is a soursop plant. Its fruits are very good for cancer.
Yeah.
So also the leaves after boiling can be drunk. No, it is overall for health issues. This is a passion fruit creeper. which bears passion fruit, and they are very delicious to drink. We make juice out of it, and we enjoy it. Yeah. Then we have the hog plum plant. There are some hog plums hanging.
So this is our greenhouse. This is mostly Calvin's creation.
Creation.
His collection also, you can say.
Yeah.
So these plants are being taken care and watered by the misters that are put on top. The water is recycled through the tank over there.
Hey guys, if you like the glimpse of this beautiful place here, then you should definitely subscribe to Suzanne's channel. That's Truly Living 24, and she'll give you an introduction of all her simple living here, her fishes, plants and dogs, right? Cats and lots more. So do subscribe. Chickens, plants, irrigation, fish. How do you manage?
So basically the chicken part is handled by my mother-in-law. She handles the chicken part. The fishes are taken care by me, be it feeding and a little bit of cleaning here and there, because they need to have the water needs to be changed every day. And yeah, the cats is also taken care by my mother-in-law. The dogs, we all simultaneously do turns by turn. And yeah, and most importantly, we have an app which we know which controls all the operations here, like be the aeration in the ponds. They have to be switched on for like say 15 hours a day.
Okay.
That is done on the app. So I'll
Modern. This is like
even the misters, the water filtration in the greenhouses worked on the app. So we have an app here. So it says the greenhouse mister. So I only have to switch it on and switch it on. In fact, I don't even have to do that. There's a timer that helps me work on it. Say at 10:30 it switches on and 1:30 in the afternoon it switches off.
so. This is a modern method of irrigating your plants, of watering your plants,
Of
right?
not doing it manually.
Of not doing it manually.
Yeah.
So you can just sit down at home at your comfort zone and
Yeah.
just switch it on through the app, and it's just a mixture of tradition and modern culture, I think. And
you
they're doing a
can-
really good job here in Goa. And I'm amazed, and this is the first time I'm knowing about it. So all those out there who are having plants and farms, and who they can definitely, will put down the link of this app in the description. So do make use of this, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So you've been benefited with all this.
Absolutely, because I don't have to go manually and switch the misters on it. Everything is on the
You can
phone.
do
There's a
it, yeah.
timing there is done. It goes on of its own.
It's easy,
Switches on.
hassle free.
Hassle free, definitely.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Great job, and we're so happy to be here. And your house, your place here is really beautiful. I think people living in Goa are really blessed, and so are you.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you for having us here, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you've seen all that this place has to offer. The D'Souza family was indeed very generous enough for us to come here, and they allowed us to click so many videos, and they allowed us into their beautiful home. So we're very thankful. Thank you so much. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Suzanne.
Most welcome.